How to add downloaded video in CapCut. Whether it's a clip, a background or an effect, I will show you how to do it in just few simple steps. Let's get started. Open your CapCut application. Tap onto New Project. Select your preferred video. Tap on Add. Tap onto the Add button from your timeline. Select your downloaded video from your gallery. Then tap on Add. You can see the downloaded video on the timeline. Drag and position the video clip on the timeline as needed. You can use the option like trim, split and speed controls to adjust the clip duration. If it's an overlay, resize and move it to the right position. You can adjust opacity, blending or animation to make it blend smoothly with your main video. And that's it. Now you can easily add downloaded videos in CapCut. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more tutorials. Drop a comment if you have question or suggestion for future videos. And don't forget to check out our playlist. See you in the next one.